Our roller shade, when I press close, doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And I want it to go all the way to the bottom. So we're going to adjust that right now. The first thing you need to do on your Pebble Remote is to press the group number to which your shade is joined. Mine's joined to group 1. Press and hold the manual control button on the head rail. Press close and then release the manual control button on the head rail. The shade will automatically move to the current limit if it's not already there. It's now time to use the remote to position the new bottom limit. I need to lower ours, so I need to press close to adjust how low you'd like the bottom rail to go. Now remember, it's not going to know where to stop, so you need to use a stop button. And I want it to go about right there. And stop. That's where I want the bottom limit to be. Now, to finish the job, press and hold the stop button to put the remote in programming mode. With no group button active on the remote, press and hold the manual control button on the head rail. Press close and then release the manual control button on the head rail. I get a slight shade jog, voila. And that's how you adjust the bottom limit on a designer roller shade or designer screen shade using the PowerView Pebble Remote.